We're back fishing. The weather's been bad for like 3 or 4 or 5 days. We don't know. Anyway, we haven't got to make any videos on fishing, so we're back fishing at a local pond here. We're not going to do too much talking. We're really just going to try to get to fishing because we don't have much time. It's late in the evening. It's been raining all day, but we caught a break in it, so we're going to try to get some fish. What do you think?
Catch some fish.
Catch some fish. All right, let's catch some fish. We got the trusty tackle box backpack. First aid kit, Leathermans. There's some pliers in there to take the hook out. We got the spinning reel, the bait caster. Lucas has got his. Let's get some fish. Got a little rooster tail tied on this one. I see a little outlet over here. Try to see if we can't get a little bluegill or something. Right over there. Might move over. There's a little more cover over there. And I've got a crawl on the other pole I can throw. Pretty basic setup here. Crawl, weedless, the stop, and the weight. Loose bait caster, loose reel. We're kind of from spot to spot. I've not seen, other than this one fish here, probably a bass, eating on these minnow. I've not seen, oh, we got a bite, we got a bite. Yeah, we got him, little guy, little guy. There he is, first fish of the day. It is not really a good day for this, but nice, pretty little bass anyway, you know. Not much to talk about, but we'll see it. It's getting pretty dark out. We're on our way home from a pond. Well, the pond you seen us fishing earlier. And there's a little river right here. So, why not, you know? It's not dark yet. It's close. Not yet. We got the old crawl. There's some water running down the hill here. Fast moving. It's been raining. I'll slip and fall in this river. Okay.
Dad, if you got start catching some.
Usually fish like to set out of the current. So like right here beside this pier is a really good spot, and behind that one you can see where it breaks the current. All the current seems to be over there. This is pretty still water here. Today we're back, another plan. We got this little container. We're gonna try to catch some crawdads and go to the river, because why not? First we gotta get down to this creek. Here, walk over here and flip this rock over.
What rock?
Right over here. You're gonna have to walk in the water. That rock right down there in the water. Stop right there, yep. Slowly. Pick it up. Pick it all the way up. Right there, just leave it. It's fine. Now wait on that mud to clear. Wait on it to clear. I don't see anything. You see anything?
Oh, wait, I see something. Is that a crawdad?
I know there was a spot down through here. Here it is. Here it is. Now this spot kind of breaks into something, comes through here. You can see it's kind of pushed these over. This is the spot. If we find any, it's here.
Oh, this is a good spot. Oh God, this snake.
So easy to get lost in there. But I know there's a road right here.
Maybe we go for the first creek. I think that's the best. There's a big road.
All right, back down the road toward the first of the creek. Now, flip it this way. Flip it.
It's heavy. Where do I flip it?
Here.
Oh, okay. There's definitely has to be something. Oh, yep. Got him.
Okay, hang on to it. Just hang on to it.
Got one, guys.
Good job, good job.
Yeah.
Hang on, there might be another one.
This one's big. No, they ain't no more.
No more?
No. Come on, you're coming out there. Here you go. What? Told you.
Trying to escape. Lucas grabbed him last second. Okay.
You mean escaping, buddy?
Hang on, let me see.
We got your little friend in there. You want to see your little friend?
Hey. He got some big claws, boy. Hang on. Into the bucket.
There's your little friend.
All right, look in that hole, See if there's another one.
I got wet.
It's taking more time than we thought to find them, but we're finding them for sure.
Nice.
What about that rock? Wait, is there another one in that hole?
Oh no, that's a leaf.
That rock right there you got your hand on.
This one?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you see him? You got him. Don't let him pitch you.
Let's go!
Yeah.
You ain't escaping me.
Oh, it's got babies on it.
You want to keep it?
Man.
If it didn't have babies on it. I think that's your dad.
I think we put the one with babies back so we can have more crawdads. No, don't put her back there. Just put her back in the water. She'll find her. Well, maybe, yeah. Put her back over there.
There's your home.
She'll go wherever she wants to go.
Alright, she went back in the home.
All right, that rock right there you had your hand on. Try to flip it over, maybe.
We're doing good.
Okay, we only found 2 crawdads. But we think that's enough to test them out on the river. We don't know. We should have set a trap. But W. Lucas for catching 2 crawdads by hand. Big W. All right, hopefully we'll see you at the river. All right, as you can see, we made it to the river. Down there. We got the crawfish. We're gonna try to catch one. Got to be a fish right here. Rooster tail may not be a fan favorite today though. The water's cold, it's been raining a lot. All right, we're getting ready to walk upstream here. Try the crawfish. We're on the trail. Great big prints. If you know what these are, let us know.
Oh, that's paws.
These are huge. They look like paw prints.
Yeah.
4 claws. Coming. We made it. We got a big rock here and a lot of slack water right past it. So get over to that rock. Try to get all these kids over there. Make sure everybody's safe and then start fishing. We're on the rock. Nah, slack water here. This is exactly what I was looking for. We should be able to get on one. Now for the reason we came. A little circle hook. And a crawfish. Got the hook tied on. Bare hook, no weight. We got the big daddies.
Is that peach in you, Dad?
Right through the back of his. Yeah, almost anything in here about that. You can tie that rooster tail on if you want to, though.
Will you put a crawfish on mine?
Alright, we're just gonna flip this guy out and see what he does. Let's flip him over near those trees. What? Your phone.
My phone is gone. Can you see it?
Can you see it?
It's an iPhone. You can see it. Is that it right there?
Don't drop the camera, Mom.
Give me the camera, remember. That's it. He's close.
Here in the sun, I think. I saw some little minnows. That's rough. That would have been bad if I would have stuck in it.
We didn't catch any fish, but we came to another spot. I've got a great big map here of the area. We're gonna hike down it, kind of check it out a little. See if maybe this is a potential spot to come back to. Super steep stairs. All right, let's see what we got. Maybe. All right, let's see. There's a bridge over there, just like the last spot we were at. Super slick right there. How you feeling about it? How you feeling about it?
I don't know.
Now we're on this hiking trail.
Oh,
There's a spot there to kind of go down in.
We can go down there in a minute.
It's awful swift.
Whoa.
I bet you when the water's down that big rock out there sticks out of the water some. Might be a good spot to swim with the kids.
Oh.
The hill's steep. Look at the hill.
Yeah, that thing's super steep. You can't really tell it on camera. Massive. airplane above us. Somebody signal for help, because we don't have phone signal.
Guys, this is crazy.
What's so crazy about it?
It's far.
Right there it does.
Oh, look at
But
that.
how would you get out? You know what I mean? Like, you would have to swim.
Oh, look at that rock.
If you could,
Dad.
if it were a little warmer, we could get in and swim, or if the sun was out even,
Yeah, we can't go on.
we could swim out to those rocks and cast off of them. But
Definitely cold.
See that rock?
I know where she's going, right down here. You see that big? You see that big rock down there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's where we're going.
Oh, that's big. We should have brought a.
This is a super pretty spot. This has good potential for swimming, especially. All right, we're making it to the spot. This is where everybody goes, which kind of isn't where you want to be if you're fishing anyway. Now, obviously, it's a good swimming hole and could be really fun. Oh, this could be a good spot to fish. Look at this.
That's like a good.
Look where the water has eroded this. The water has eroded this bank. It's come off this mountain, eroded this bank, all the way out to the river.
This is so cool. Like a pool.
It's pretty big
Guys,
to be a river.
I was walking close.
This might be a good spot. I told him I wasn't bringing the poles, but I can see here that this water comes down,
That's quick.
and then you can see where the water changes direction, and it kind of circulates back a little. That's slack water. That'd be a good place to fish, right over there. Anywhere out in here, really. But besides this stuff, you can see here where the water's changing directions. It almost looks like it's flowing back up right there. It's just slack. So this would be a beautiful spot to fish.
This is sinking, Dad. Don't go out there.
This water is still running.
It sinks.
Oh, it drops off super deep too. This could be a good catfish hole. Maybe we come back and try fishing this. Let us know in the comments if you want us to come back and fish this spot. Hang on. Squirrel ran down. I will chase this squirrel through these woods. On the ground. On the ground? Oh, there she is. Right there. Yo, what up? Where'd she go? Oh, there she was. She scared me. Where's she? Yeah, I see it. We came to the bridge. This is super far up. We're trying to spot some camping spots to maybe come back and camp. This is pretty cool. Let's look this way real quick. Oh, there's some nice shoals right here. Maybe bring a kayak back, ride down, because down there's the spot we were at a while ago, so it could be fun. Thought this was pretty cool. They made a spot in the bridge. There's several of them to let the water run out. They're just holes in the bridge for when the water runs onto it off of these huge mountains around us.